Hey everyone, welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we'll talk about how to download and install Virtualbox on Windows 11. Open any browser, type Download Virtualbox, and press Enter. Then open the official Virtualbox website. Scroll down and select Windows Hosts. Once the file is downloaded, open it and click Yes. Now click Next. Select I accept the terms of the license and click Next again. Click Next once more, then click Yes. Leave the startup options according to your needs. I just want it to appear as a desktop shortcut. Now click Next and select Install. After the installation is complete, click Finish to open Virtualbox. So that's how you can download and install Virtualbox on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Air for more easy and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching.